In this video, I'll be showing you one of the side hustles that can fetch you so much money and you will still have your time doing your normal activities. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel to become part of our YouTube community for free. Ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new content, you'll be the first person to be notified. Like this video if you are feeling the vibes. So one of the side hustles that can make you so much money monthly is for you to become a WhatsApp influencer. Somebody might ask, who is a WhatsApp influencer? And I'll tell you this. A WhatsApp influencer is a person with broad knowledge or authority on a particular niche and can influence or persuade his WhatsApp audience to take a specific action. WhatsApp influencers earn money by recommending products or services to their audience. This could be either affiliate marketing, partnership, selling personal products, and many more. If you become a WhatsApp influencer, people are going to be paying you money to post their products or services to your audience on WhatsApp. So if you ask me, I will tell you that being a WhatsApp influencer is one of the simplest ways to make money online today. I said simple, I didn't say easy, because the truth is that you are not just going to start making money as a WhatsApp influencer immediately. No. You are not going to just start making money just like that. You need to start somewhere. Yes, you know, starting off everything is hard. This is the main reason why most people give up. So I advise you not to be like most people. You need to start somewhere. Yes, you need to give it time. And for you to start somewhere, you need to choose a niche. Not just any niche, but a specific niche. After choosing a niche, you need to start building your audience of followers. You can decide to build an audience of people who are interested in sports, or you can decide to build an audience of people who are interested in weight loss, people who are interested in business, people who are interested in making money online, or people who are interested in marketing and sales. Anything at all you can start with. You see, the idea is that you need to focus on a specific niche so that when people want to advertise on your WhatsApp status, they should have an idea of the kind of audience that you have. So for me personally, I've been able to build an audience in the making money online niche. And this has actually helped me to post or advertise people products that are related to making money online. So you see, with that, my audience can actually view my status and then take action. Guys, if you are listening to me right now and you don't even know any side hustle you should start with, please just start building followers or audience on WhatsApp on a specific niche. And then you need to start nurturing them, because you can make a lot of money for yourself by just doing this. So I want to tell you that in 2020, before I started making money online, I discovered that a lot of business owners are looking for customers. Everywhere you turn, left, right, center, people are looking for customers. Affiliate marketers are looking for customers. Network marketers are looking for customers. Coaches are looking for customers. Course creators are looking for customers. In fact, everybody is looking for customers. So it came to my mind that why don't I focus on building these followers or audience on my WhatsApp status and charging people to advertise their products and services on my WhatsApp status. And that was how I started making money online. Yes, that was exactly how I started WhatsApp influencing. As I speak to you right now, last month alone, I made over 1,500 advertising people, products and services on my WhatsApp status, my WhatsApp groups, and then my WhatsApp channel. That's like almost $140 as at recording this video. I'm not telling you that when you start, you are going to start making money just like me. No, I've told you already. Please, you need to be patient with the process. What I'm trying to make you understand is that this thing is very simple. Just build followers. All you need to do is just to build audience, and then people are going to pay you for advertisement. It's as simple as that. Yes, it's as simple as that. Now, before you start charging people to post adverts on your WhatsApp status, you need to ensure that you actually test the audience of followers you have. For a start, you can post advert for people for free just to ensure that the audience you have will actually convert. Yes, you need to make sure that the audience you have will bring more sales to your prospect. When you post advert for people for free, you ask them how was the conversion like, and if the response is good, then you can proceed to start charging people to run adverts on your WhatsApp status. For a start, you can charge maybe $1 or $2 depending on how many WhatsApp status views you are getting. If you are getting, let's say, from 500 to 1000 status views, you can start charging $1 or $2 for a start. Then as you grow, you are going to keep increasing your rate, and of course, you keep increasing your WhatsApp audience. So how do you get started as a WhatsApp influencer? 1. You need to define your target audience. You see, everybody cannot be your audience. My audience are people who are interested in making money online, and that is the kind of people I bring to my WhatsApp. So you need to be specific about the kind of audience you want to build. I've mentioned some of these people already. Do you want to build an audience of business owners, stay-at-home moms, students, networkers, affiliate marketers? So you need to define your target audience. 2 is to define your lead generation. When we talk of leads, we mean customers. How do you bring leads or customers to your WhatsApp? You can create an ebook. You can use ChatGPT to write the ebook for free, package it together, go to Canva and create an ebook cover. So after you are done, then you convert your ebook into PDF, and then you can go ahead to promote it using different marketing strategies. You can also pay other influencers to promote it for you. You can pay WhatsApp TVs to promote it for you. You can run Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads. There are a lot of marketing strategies you can use to bring people to your WhatsApp. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to write an ebook, check in the description below. I've done a video already, so I'll be dropping a link so that you can click on the link to see how to use ChatGPT to create an ebook. Number 3, you need to know the type of content you'll be posting on your status. Don't just wake up and post anything on your status. For me personally, I post about personal development. I post about business. I post about spirituality. I post motivation. I talk about money, because my audience are people who are interested in all of this I've mentioned. Number 4, define the kind of brands you want to advertise for. You can't be advertising for everybody. For me, I don't advertise for physical products. I only promote digital products, people who want to sell their ebooks and other stuff. 5, create your ad package. You need not to have a flat rate for your ads. One day you can charge, let's say, $3. 2 days you can charge $5. 3 days you can charge, let's say, $6, and so on and so on. This is just an example I'm giving you. 6, and that is the last one. Create your terms and conditions. I always create my terms and conditions and I show it to people. So you have to read my terms and conditions before you agree to run ads on my status, because my job is to show your ads to my audience. I don't control my audience decision. My audience decide on what they want to buy. So make sure you have terms and conditions so that you can send to people who want to advertise on your status. If you want to go deeper in all what I said, contact the numbers on the screen to join our masterclass on WhatsApp monetization. Don't forget to subscribe and then like this video if you are feeling it.